Hey guys, Jeffrey are here. Um, today today is Tuesday. We have a beautiful day here in New York City. With everybody, we didn't even have to wear our jackets. The weather is nice. Hopefully, we are entering in. Yeah, the weather is so nice. So I think spring is here. So yeah, guys. My kids, the kids, one of my son is sleeping. So guys, my son is taking a nap, so I'm gonna rush quickly to make my dinner. I'm gonna make some spinach stew, and we're gonna have it with plantain. So I'm gonna do it quick before, I'm gonna do it quick, make my dinner, and then yeah, just sit and relax. So let's make spinach stew. I have my onions and tomatoes and blended garlic and ginger. I have my salmon here that I love to use. I have my goosey with egg mixed together. I blend it together, and my frozen spinach. So I have the oil in the pan, waiting for it to get hot. It looks hot. So I added my onions first. Yes. And then after that, I add my sliced tomatoes. Right. Now I'm adding my blended garlic and ginger inside. Yes. Let it cook, and then I'm gonna add the tomatoes, my sliced tomatoes. So guys, I love this ground pepper, this powdered pepper, this brand. It's very nice. So yeah, I added the tomatoes, and then I added tomato sauce. I added a little bit of tomato sauce in my guys. Later I added my onga and the sankofa bit. Guys, I love this sankofa season. Like it have everything in it that you need for stew. So yeah, it's like that sankofa season got everything in it. I love it. Yeah, I think I added a little bit too much, but so guys, I usually add the goosey to the stew first before adding my protein, but this time I don't know what I was thinking. I just added my protein in first before adding the egusi inside, and it still turned out good. There's different ways to grandmom's house, right? So yeah, so now I'm adding the egusi inside. So stir it a little bit and let it cook, and later I added the spinach. The goosey is inside and it's looking good. Danny, my baby got a haircut. You look good. You got some kinky and some Ghana bread. But we're right over the water. Hey guys, good morning. Guys, today we got our bread, our Ghana bread. Nigerians, you call it agege bread. My husband made us breakfast, egg and bread with a coffee right here. Oh my god, I know it's gonna be so good. I just wanted to share it. Today my husband go to work late, so he fixed some breakfast for us. I'm about to enjoy it. All right guys. So guys, you know what happened? I was in the room and my husband was in the bathroom, I guess. So we didn't know what was going on in the kitchen, and we came in the kitchen and we saw that our sugar, someone poured water inside the sugar. Yeah, the sugar was like this much. I filled it up and they poured water in my sugar. Who's that? It's my son. He did that. So now I have to look for a container. I found this and this for now. I know that Timo have they have like nice containers and stuff, or maybe I might go to the discount stores to see if they have like containers for, like, sugars, like, nice containers to put my spice bottle. I need to work on my spice cabinets, like, all the stuff I put my spice in. I need a container to like pour all my spices in. So I'm trying to look for something to put my stuff in. So I don't know if I should put it in this for now. It comes with this lid. That's an old coffee bottle. And then I have this bottle. I just need something to put the sugar in for just this week, and then I have to look for something. Look for another container to put this the sugar in. But yeah guys, I'm gonna hurry up and eat my breakfast real quick. I have some pancakes and my coffee. I think I have to warm it up. Hey guys, I'm making my jollof. I'm making, like I always do, I always make a big like, a big pot of stew. I always make a big pot of stew, and then I divide it into 4, and I'll use 1. Hey guys, so I'm gonna make some turkey soup on the side while this stew is cooking. It's like boiling. Hi guys, so my son poured water inside my sugar. Because I didn't want to throw the sugar away, I was just thinking, I was like, what can I do with this sugar? It's wet. And then I was like, I can make some peanut brittle. So yes guys, that's what I'm making here. Just two ingredients. Pour the sugar inside the pan and let it melt. But because it had water inside the sugar, I had to let it dry, the sugar dry, and then it started melting. Yes. So, and then after that I added my peanuts to it. It was so good, guys. And that's a lot of sugar. Yes, so this is it. Poured it in there. It was so good. Alright guys, thank you for watching Chef Yes channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. Enjoy your life.